Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2018 Ram 1500 low top Tempest X side entry mobility van. This is stock number CP17699AT. Now this van is bright silver in color. It has 52,800 miles on it. Fog lamps. Does have chrome wheels on it. They're pitted up a little bit, but they are 16-inch. But it's, like, again, this is a 2018, so you're gonna have a little bit of wear there. Painted running boards on the side. You have doors on both sides of this van for the side doors, so it makes it really easy to get into. You got privacy glass throughout the rear of the van. Heated driver's and passenger seat. Now this is a dark gray, well, let's say a medium gray with some black inserts in the seats here. It is cat skin leather. The seats look to be in great condition. Got a little touchscreen radio here with navigation on it. Except, let's see, there you go, a little navigation. And do have overhead storage. Cruise control down here. Looks like hands-free telephone. And you have your rear AC and heat controls right here left of the steering wheel. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Power folding mirrors. It's great for parking on the street or some tight parking spots. Open the side door here. Got a tough rubber floor here so the wheelchair doesn't tear it up. It's got a VMI lift in it. It is a slide away. 4-person couch in the rear. Now this couch is power, so we'll lay down. Also got a storage box here. Put your cue strings in it if you like. We got headsets here. These headphones are for, just flip down. It is a DVD player. You got DVD on the side here. You got cup holders here in the rear. You do have privacy blinds with your indirect lighting above them on the big side windows. These side doors also have privacy blinds you can close. Paint looks to be in real good condition. Rear backup camera. You do have a tow package down here with 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. Rear backup sensors. And you've got lots of storage room underneath this sofa. Like a two-decker. Little storage box right here. Again, privacy blinds on the back doors here. Rear defrost. Here's our slide away lift. Simple operation. Controls here hang on the wall. This is the Rikon slide away. And we will deploy this just to show you how you deploy it. Of course, it goes down. 2 flaps will go down as well. Now you're going to hit your up button here. The flaps close so the wheelchair doesn't roll off the back of the lift. And now you hit your stow button. I do like this lift because that is a Rikon slide away, and that just gets out of the way so you can walk right through here. Of course, you do have a door on the other side, so you don't really have to have a slide away lift, but it just makes it a little bit more convenient. Again, passenger seat is heated. And there you have it, folks. 2018 Tempest X van, 52,800 miles on it, low top. That's here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.